We'll continue with the absorption of minerals and water in plants. There we read about the passive transport, and now we'll continue with the active transport. Now, what is the difference? In the passive transport, we have osmosis and diffusion, which do not require any ATP. But in active transport of these minerals and water, it requires your ATP energy. Now, how does it happen? We have ascent of sap. Basically, ascent of sap is a mechanism of upward movement of water. Whenever the water it moves upward, जब पानी xylem vessel से बाकी पेड़ में जाता है उसको हम लोग ascent of sap बोलते हैं. Now, how does it happen? It depends on many factors, but in our class 8, we have got only 2 year root pressure and transpirational pull. Transpirational pull is not mentioned as such, but it will be better if we understand it. So it will be easy to understand basically. So ascent of sap, it is the mechanism of the movement of water in the upward direction, and factors responsible are root pressure and transpirational pull. We'll take up the root pressure. Now, before we understand the root pressure, we'll look into the terms here: root pressure, hydrolytic pressure, or the turgor pressure. In our book, we have a word here: hydrolytic pressure. Now, how does it happen? We see the pipes, plastic pipes or the aluminum pipes, other pipes, and when the water flows from it, the molecules present here, they all they put pressure at the walls. So the fluid, when it or the molecules together, the net force put by the molecules here on the surface of the pipe is your hydrolytic pressure or your turgor pressure. जो पानी में जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं वो जो प्रेशर वॉल्स पे लगाते हैं, द फ्लूइड व्हेन इट exerts a pressure on the wall, that pressure is called the hydrolytic pressure or the turgor pressure. So what happens when the water molecules it is absorbed and it reaches the xylem vessel, the cells which has absorbed the water, it puts a pressure, it exerts a pressure. That pressure is called the root pressure here. We have seen the capillary reaction. Capillary, पानी गिर जाता है, हम लोग चौक रख देते हैं, वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है पानी. समथिंग सिमिलर हियर, जब पानी का नीचे जब प्रेशर होता है फिर वो अपवर्ड पेड़ में ऊपर की तरफ उसको पानी को फिर वो पुश करता है. तो कुछ पानी इन एसेंट ऑफ सैप हियर is absorbed with the help of root pressure. So this is one of the factor which is responsible for the movement of water and mineral up in upward direction of the plant. Now the second one, we all know the transpiration that the leaves through stomata, and then the barks. In the barks we have the lenticels here. They lenticels basically they are the pores which allows the water to transpire. सूरज की हीट की वजह से, सन की हीट की वजह से जो पानी हमारा जो वेपराइज होता है तो पानी पेड़ में पानी की कमी हो जाती है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन after the transpiration, the leaves it gives the indication to the plant that it requires more water, and that pull or the suction pressure which is put by or exerted by the leaf or the plant of the or the stem of the plant, that is called your transpirational pull. So we have covered till at page number 15 here. Please try to do checkpoint number 1 yourself, and in the next video we'll do the activities.